Welcome to BUSN 2190, Document Proofreading and Editing. We're going to begin with our Start Here tab. With our Start Here tab, you will find a video welcoming you to the program, your course syllabus folder, which includes your syllabus assignment sheet and textbook information. This particular textbook does not have a lot of additional textbook content that is available through the publisher, so you're better off either purchasing a physical paper textbook, and you can find them used online for pretty inexpensive, or you can opt to purchase just an e-textbook because there's no additional content with this particular course through the publisher. We're moving on to our announcements page. You'll find important information about the course here under your announcements page. We also have additional information if you need food or a laptop or hotspot. We have services available for you there, and just some additional tools and tips to help you be successful in the course. Moving on to your lessons tab. You will not be able to access your course assignments until you complete your no-show assignment. In your course assignments, you will notice that they're organized by modules, and each one of the modules highlights which chapters you will be reviewing. Now, you will notice in Module 2, you'll be working on Chapter 2 and Chapter 3. You'll have the opportunity to submit Chapter 3, and then you will have a chance to resubmit Chapter 3. As you get into the course, you'll learn how to kind of work through this process. Because you're proofreading and editing, sometimes you need to take some time to review it, work through it, and then come back to it a second time and actually submit it for a grade. So as you start getting into that Module 2, you will see the details on how this particular thing works. So you will need to highlight the edits that you've made. It is important to pay attention to these instructions because it details how points are also lost on an assignment. And then in that Module 3 folder, you will find that submission again for that final grade. So you will have an opportunity to interact with the material twice in this particular course. So pay attention when you get into your lessons. Moving on to the My Grades tab. This will allow you to kind of see how your grades are going. So if we are in our Chapter 5 section, you'll see that you'll have a quiz, Dropbox, and final grade submission. This is going to be important to make sure, since we're dealing with it on a 2-week schedule, that you do have that final grade submission in and submitted to the Dropbox. You don't want to miss these opportunities. Coming back in your office hours tab, when you click on the office hours, you're going to find some links that you can choose dates and times to schedule time to meet with your teacher via WebEx. Each teacher is going to have a different schedule of availability, so find a date and time that works best for you if you need to schedule time to meet with your instructor. We also have the Send Email tab. This will allow you to send an email directly to your instructor if you have any questions about the course. Do remember though, emails are not stored within Blackboard, but they are in your student email. So if you are looking for a response from your instructor, you will need to access your student email account to find that response. Moving on to Student Support tab. We provide a whole host of additional support services for students, from career development to advisement to Success Center and tutoring. If you are needing additional resources beyond that which is part of our course, you can always click on this tab and dive into additional resources that are available with the college. And then finally, your instructor information tab. This will include your instructor's name, email, telephone number, and location. You can always reach out to your instructor by email whenever you need to. I hope you have a wonderful semester, and I look forward to working with you.